5 reasons the Earth is flat. I'm going to show you 5 reasons why the Earth is actually flat. And by the end of this video, you will have all the information you need to start spreading the truth about our world. So let's jump right in. Number 1. The horizon always looks flat, no matter where you are or how high up you go. If you're on a plane or a mountain or a tall building, when you look out, it just looks flat. In fact, if the Earth was curved, like they say it is, then the horizon should look curved as well. But we know that's not the case. The horizon is straight. It's flat. Number 2. There's no such thing as a magnetic north. If you take a compass and you walk around, you will never find true north. You can walk forever and you will never find it because it doesn't exist. So what's really interesting is, if you actually go to the North Pole and you take a compass, the compass will spin around and around because it's actually at the center of the magnetic field of the Earth. So if the Earth was a sphere, then the magnetic field would be symmetrical and we would have magnetic north and south at the North Pole and the South Pole. The magnetic field is not symmetrical. It's off-center, and that's because the Earth is actually flat, and the magnetic field is being generated by electric currents that are flowing in the crust of the Earth, from the North Pole all the way to the South Pole. No. 3. Ships don't disappear hull first over the horizon. If you watch a ship go away from you on the ocean, it doesn't gradually disappear hull first. That would make sense if the Earth was curved. But we know that's not what happens. What happens is the entire ship disappears all at once, like the whole thing was sucked into a black hole, and then sometimes the ship reappears all of a sudden out of nowhere. If the Earth was flat, that would make perfect sense, because something can just pop up out of nowhere. But on a globe, that would be impossible. Number 4. Clouds and wind have no effect on the flat Earth. If you take a picture of a cloud and you compare the flat cloud to the curvature of the Earth, it's obvious that the cloud is flat, and it's just sitting on top of the Earth. Also, if the Earth was curved, then clouds would form in a spherical shape. But they don't. They form in strange shapes all the time, but they're never. The wind also has no effect on the flat Earth. If you're in a wind tunnel and you blow air on a flat Earth model, the Earth just stays flat. It doesn't curve. And number 5. We have actually been able to measure the circumference of the Earth, and it's 24,000 miles. Not 25,000 or 26,000. It's exactly 24,000 miles. We know this because we've actually done experiments where we've taken 2 points on the Earth that are very close to each other, and we've measured the distance between them, and we know that the Earth is flat, because if you measure the distance between 2 points on a flat surface, the shortest distance between those 2 points is a straight line. But if you were to measure the distance on a sphere, then you would have to go along the surface of the sphere, so the distance would actually be longer. But we know that the distance between these 2 points is shorter than the distance on a globe, so that proves that the Earth is flat. There is so much more evidence that I didn't even get a chance to put in this video. There's actually hundreds of videos on my channel with tons of evidence that the Earth is flat, so make sure to check out my other videos.